Hey guys, a breeder friend of mine called today. He had to go out of town with work for a week and a half and needed someone to babysit and feed his Tres Maria Amazons, and there's 3 of them, and 2 African gray babies. The African gray babies are so little and so cute. I, of course, said, sure. I mean, you know, he needed someone to watch and someone has to feed them. And, you know, an opportunity. I've never hand-fed African grays, an opportunity to be with them. Oh, here they come. Oh my goodness. I was told they are called Tres Marias Amazons. And I'm Burby sitting. Look at these guys. I'm getting ready to feed them, so this will be short. And over here are the African gray babies. Okay, babysitting parrots. Yeah, I'm in Parrot Bliss. Hi guys, are you ready to eat? Are you ready? I'm so excited. These are African grays, about 5 weeks, and now I gotta feed. Yes, look at that. We made a mess. Do you want some more? Where are those little dino sounds now, huh? You want a little more? There's the dino sounds. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Yeah. Put it down here. And yeah. Because I can't hold the camera while I'm holding you, huh? Yes. Yes, we can go slow. And we'll clean you up. What a mess. Yeah. Can we put the camera somewhere for the... Okay. Okay, so the Africans didn't want to eat too much. I think they're nervous. You could see they've got a little fluff, some of those down feathers, but not a lot. So they're little and they're scared. They're smart enough to be so aware. So I covered them with the towel so that they'd be warm. And I'm holding them for a minute because I thought that would give them a sense of a parent kind of thing, being cared for. And sure enough, they just settled right down. The other thing I'm doing is, you could see my right hand, I'm wiggling my finger. I just kind of have it on one of their bodies to give them sort of the feel and the physical weight, the way their parent would sit on them and keep them warm. So just to try to help them feel nice and comfortable. You could see they made a mess. They've got baby food on them. I'm gonna clean them up as soon as I can, but right now, first I want them to settle down. So cute, so little. So little. Beep, and they make the cutest sounds. Oh my goodness, just adorable. Hi, baby. Of course, I want them to settle down, and then I need to figure out how to get them back in their bin comfortably so that I can go and take care of what I need to take care of. But look at that, those died, that's good. What you doing with your neck? What you doing with your neck, huh? I want them to have just at least a little while to get more comfy. See that little hole on the side? Right there. That's the ear. Yeah. See that hole there? You can see it on the second baby. That's the ear.